Hello, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to our channel, the gateway to extraordinary journeys around the globe. Today, we're setting our compass for Peru, a land of unparalleled wonders and cultural riches. Our mission, to go beyond the surface and immerse ourselves in the captivating stories etched into the landscapes of this South American jewel. I'm your enthusiastic guide on this virtual escapade. So fasten your seatbelts, hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on a thrilling exploration of the enchanting wonders that make Peru an absolute must-visit. Peru is a country that extends an open invitation to travelers from all walks of life. It's not merely a destination, it's a tapestry woven with threads of history, culture, and natural beauty. Whether you're a history aficionado, a nature enthusiast, or a foodie with an adventurous palate, Peru stands ready to captivate your senses. Our journey commences with a panoramic introduction, offering a mere glimpse into the kaleidoscope of experiences awaiting those who dare to explore this South American gem. Our initial voyage transports us to the legendary Machu Picchu, an ancient citadel perched on the Andean peaks. This isn't just a visit, it's an odyssey into the heart of history. Imagine standing amid the ruins, surrounded by a breathtaking panorama that extends as far as the eye can see. The whispers of the past mingle with the mountain breeze, creating an atmosphere of profound mystery and sheer awe. Machu Picchu isn't a mere stop on our journey, it's a transformative experience that transcends time. Descending from the heights of Machu Picchu, our narrative unfolds in the living museum that is Cusco. Picture winding through cobblestone streets, where each step is a dance between ancient Inca remnants and the architectural marvels of Spanish colonial influence. Cusco isn't just a waypoint, it's a living testament to the harmonious convergence of civilizations. The bustling markets and vibrant squares are the pulse of a city where every corner echoes with the intricate stories of Peru's rich cultural tapestry. Leaving behind the mountains, our journey plunges into the verdant embrace of the Amazon rainforest. Brace yourself for an immersive encounter with nature's symphony. Picture a canvas painted in vibrant hues, accompanied by the melodic sounds of exotic wildlife. The Amazon isn't just a destination, it's a sanctuary for those seeking communion with the raw beauty of the natural world. Each rustle of leaves and every chirp of a tropical bird becomes a note in this harmonious masterpiece. Shifting our perspective, we take flight to unravel the mysteries of the Nazca Lines. These colossal geoglyphs etched into the desert floor are an ancient enigma, a puzzle that transcends centuries. Join me on a mesmerizing aerial journey as we decode the intricacies of these enormous drawings. The Nazca Lines aren't just mysterious, they're a testament to the incredible creativity and precision of ancient civilizations etched into the very fabric of the Nazca Desert. As our expedition reaches its zenith, we arrive in the white city of Arequipa. Beyond its stunning volcanic stone architecture lies a culinary haven waiting to be discovered. Join me as we navigate through local markets, immersing ourselves in the rich flavors of authentic Peruvian dishes. Arequipa isn't just a feast for the eyes, it's a gastronomic adventure, a celebration of flavors that mirrors the vibrancy of this charming city. Our sojourn continues to the tranquil beauty of Lake Titicaca, the highest navigable lake globally. Envision vast blue waters cradled by rolling hills and traditional villages. The Euro's floating islands, crafted from totora reeds, add a touch of magic to this serene expanse. Lake Titicaca isn't merely a body of water, it's a mirror reflecting the peaceful rhythm of life in the Andean highlands, an oasis of tranquility in the heart of nature. Nestled amidst the Peruvian desert is the surreal oasis of Huacachina, a haven surrounded by towering sand dunes. Join me for an adrenaline-fueled adventure as we explore the dunes on a thrilling sandboarding escapade. Huacachina isn't just a desert oasis, it's a playground for the adventurous spirit, a respite from the ordinary, set against the backdrop of golden sands. Get ready for an immersive desert adventure that adds an unexpected twist to our Peruvian odyssey. And there you have it, fellow explorers, a multidimensional journey through the wonders of Peru. Each segment unfolds a new chapter, revealing the diverse facets of a country that beckons with open arms. Whether you're captivated by ancient marvels, immersed in cultural richness, or spellbound by natural beauty, Peru stands as a testament to the extraordinary diversity our world offers. If this expedition stirred your curiosity, give it a thumbs up, share the adventure with your fellow explorers, and hit that subscribe button for more odysseys to come. Until our next adventure, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep the spirit of discovery alive.